老漂亮。对对对。我是法国个国旗颜色。对，刚刚看到伊拉出去嘛，现在搿些回来嘛，对伐？就搿只。
Et tribunaux de Paris au centre-ville. So here we are in the very... J'aimerais ajouter également... Bon déjà, so afterwards, it is thanks to Victor Hugo that we hold that Gothic jewel. Si vous voulez vous permettre un repas à 400 € par tête par personne, eh bien allez-y. Yeah, good idea. Let's give them a round of applause. A little address cheaper than the... That if you want your wish to come true, well, close your eyes and make that wish under that bridge. But in order to seal that wish forever, you have to kiss the person sitting next to you. So it's not too late to change place. And let's try. Amen. May your wish come true. Les mêmes et patinoires en hiver. On the right hand side, you will find the house of today. À gauche, on a le premier hôpital jamais construit à Paris. L'hôpital de l'Hôtel-Dieu, construit au 7e siècle, est toujours fonctionnel aujourd'hui, malgré quelques fenêtres brisées. Since the 14th century, just on the left hand side. And right beside it, we will find, after the bridge on the left, Bonsoir Paris. And right on the left, we will find the conciergerie. À gauche, on a la conciergerie. The conciergerie used to be back in the days a royal palace. It became later a prison where the Queen Marie Antoinette will spend the 2 last months of her life before she'll get decapitated in La Concorde. Bless her. And each one of those funny places are called mascarons, and they've been sculpted by Henry IV, that you can see again on the left hand side with his wolves.
我们就住在这个地方，哎，阿拉就住那个的呀，阿拉就住那个的呀。
The most visited museum in the world after the Hermitage in Saint-Pétersbourg, the Louvre Museum. À droite maintenant, place au plus large monument de Paris, le deuxième musée le plus visité au monde, le deuxième musée le plus visité au monde, après l'Hermitage à Saint-Pétersbourg, on le connaît toutes et tous, le Louvre à droite, la Venus de Milo, Mona Lisa, the Glass of Cana, and so on. If you want to spend 3 seconds in front of each artwork, en face de chaque œuvre là, eh bien il va falloir vous prévoir plus de 3 jours et demi non-stop pour pouvoir trouver. But this has been said, I think on said Philippe Auguste comme étant une forteresse que tu peux protéger des Anglais, Richard Cœur de Lion, Charles qui comme Normandy, not so far from us, but also the Vikings as well. So we had to protect ourselves, right? Became later Royal Palace, and then after the French Revolution, the Museum, Paris World's Fair, 1900, as a train station, back in the days, train station that would only link Paris and Orleans, those latest P&O that we can see all along the building. At the late 1900s, it became a museum that would use every single one of these stones of that prison to build one of the most symbolic bridge, the most symbolic bridge of the Afro-American gospel ceremony. À gauche, on a l'église water coming all the way to the neck of the Zouave, or in 2015 to his parts. I mean, it is the most recent monument of Paris. It's not Margaret Thatcher. It is the Iron Lady, the real one. The Eiffel Tower, and we, of course, owe that artwork to Gustave Eiffel, built for the World's Fair of 1889, 100 years after the French Revolution. 330. after a car crash on the tunnel of the Alma Bridge. So therefore people come here on her tribute. 1700s, you cannot unnotice the huge dome made out of glass, dome ceiling made out of glass, that weighs actually 8,500 tons, which is nearly the Eiffel Tower weight itself. And nowadays, for example, there is a great exhibition, a temporary one called Paris Photo. It's not about photos of Paris, it's just about photographs that are from Paris. And they display all the gorgeous pictures. I went there a few days ago. It started, he did sign an alliance with the president of the Third Republic of France, Sadi Carnot. Hence the building of that bridge. I have to speak actually, and it's not fun. Facing us, we have again the Concorde Bridge, but now let's speak about the connection guillotine already on Airline UK. À droite, en face de nous, on a un bâtiment avec une coupole verte là haut. The White House in Washington. White House that is obviously 7 times bigger, and without the Green Tower. La statue là-bas, c'est la represent the three biggest cities in the west of France, Nantes, Toulouse and Bordeaux. And to finish with, back in the days until 2000, each one of these mascarons represents either a friend or a political friend of Henry IV who didn't believe on the construction of that bridge, who didn't believe on the solidity of that bridge. So in order to make fun of them, to mock them, to avenge them, Henry IV is this type of guy. He makes fun of people. He decided to put a grotesque face for each one of those people. But that's not it. Even the own mother of Henry IV was against it. And you will see on the corner, just on top of that grey electric box, there is a mascaron without a beard. This one represents the mother of Henry IV. What a scene. One last thing. He had many mistresses, a lot of them. He decided to put a mascaron face for each husband of each wife he had an affair with. And in order to show the public who they are and why they're here, he puts a bull's horn on top of each one of them. They actually kind of nice. Good for them. That's the story of the mascaron of Henry IV. Sorry. Tous ces mascarons représentent des amis politiques ou des amis de Henri IV qui ne croyaient pas en la solidité de ce pont. Et pour se venger, il a décidé de leur faire un mascaron chacun. Et même la propre maman d'Henri IV était contre la construction de ce pont. Et juste au-dessus du boîtier électrique, on y trouvera un mascaron sans barreau. Un dernier commentaire, la mère Henri IV était très perfide. Il avait beaucoup de maîtresses et cependant il a décidé de faire un mascaron pour tous les maris de chaque maîtresse avec qui il a affaire. Et pour qu'on sache toutes et tous qui ils sont et pourquoi ils sont là, il leur a fait des jolies cornes de bouc. Voilà, c'était l'histoire des mascarons d'Henri IV.